Another thing we will be covering at the expert level is how I took a spreadsheet of 1,040 reference points here in blue and linked them to our employee database in yellow and turned it into a visual representation of our area and every reference point that was mentioned. And then to further it, I actually linked the data to give information that can be used by other departments to quickly get a hold of whoever was in charge, whether it was a deputy, the ops, or the supervisor of that area. I was eventually asked to go to another mapping company and explain what I did and how I did it, and they wanted me to load my process into their software, but I politely explained to them how and why I was not going to do that, where they eventually ended up changing the way they have their data imported because of how my process was functioning. But that's another story for another time, and I'll upload that in an audio.